sizzle, sizzle. The bacon is sizzling in the frying pan. Kaching, kaching. Now it's time to count up the profits. Kaching, splash, splash. The ocean splashed against the pier. Rustle, rustle. The leaves rustled in the breeze. Zoom, zoom. He was shocked by the zoom of the powerful engine. Click, click. If you want to open a file, click twice on the icon for it. Tic-tac, tic-tac. At midnight, the tic-tac of a grandfather clock really gave me the creeps. Boom, boom. Suddenly there was a boom, as if the rocket was falling on his head. Pop, pop. The champagne cork popped when he pulled it out. Crunch, crunch. Their boots crunched loudly on the frozen snow.
你还知道哪些英语拟声词呢？欢迎在下面评论留言告诉我哦。